Ahoy, me hearties! Pirate Christina here. Hello and welcome to Storytime Online. I'm Pirate Christina this time, and I'm going to be reading to you a book called Pirate Chicken, All Hens on Deck. Wonder what that means. As you can see a chicken on the front cover. Now, this is no ordinary chicken. This is Lily. Lily wants to have an adventure. Won't tell you anything more because it's quite a good book. It's written by Brian Yanish. And on the back, if we see the blurb, all it says is, "I'm the captain now," with a big exclamation mark. Wonder what that means. Okay, so sit back, relax, and enjoy our story. While other chickens pecked, she plotted. "Can I get a hand?" They roosted. She read. So that's why they call it cold fusion. They were happy to live life on the farm. But Lily wanted to see the world. She knew she was meant for more. So, by chance, when a band of pirates invaded one day, Lily saw her moment. "I'm scared," clucked one hen. "I'm going to hide in my nest," squawked another. "I'm reporting for duty." The pirates gathered up all the chickens and took them to their ship. At sea, Lily was a fast learner. "Where's the poop deck?" But the pirates paid no attention to a silly chicken. One afternoon they stopped at an island and the pirates forgot one very important thing. Seriously? While the pirates sang and danced the night away, the ship drifted. And by morning, the chickens were in charge. Lily had, of course, prepared for this. Her loud voice boomed across the deck of the ship. "All hands on deck!" The chickens clucked to attention. "I'm your new captain and you're me chickie crew." Lily taught the hens to read the maps. "Hoist the sails and steer the ship." They sailed to fantastic new lands. Hawaii, Easter Island. They sang the rowdiest sea songs and held the most outrageous chicken dances. But Lily still wanted more. She rounded up the crew one day. "If we're real pirates, we need to pillage and plunder." The chicken crew looked at her blankly. "It means we rob and steal and take whatever we want." Hooray! Before long, Lily was known by a different name. Wanted Redfoot, reward $10,000. Redfoot ate the most feed. "I bet I could eat more." Redfoot demanded the cleanest ship. I want this deck so shiny I can see my feathers. And Redfoot gave the hardest homework. You didn't carry the 4. The crew was unhappy. Why do you get to tell us what to do? Clucked one hen. How come your nest is bigger than ours? Squawked another. And why do I have to do homework if I'm a chicken? Cried a third. It was a mutiny. The crew captured Redfoot and made her squawk the plank. It's walk the plank, actually. This was the end. Wait, said Redfoot. I once was free. I clucked, I pecked, I flapped my wings without care. But I wanted more than an ordinary chicken life. Now I have more food and treasure than I can ever imagine. But everyone is afraid of me. Redfoot raised her wings and tossed her hat into the waves below. I am not a terrible pirate. My name is Lily and I am a chicken. The crew looked at her and clucked to themselves, and then they all threw their pirate clothes overboard. All hands on deck! We've got a new mission, my friends. Together they found a small island to call home. There they flapped their wings as chickens do, and Lily gave up the rotten pirate life for good. But she had other plans. And I can see space books, book about oceans, robotics, mathematics and rockets. Rockets. Stay tuned for perhaps Space Chicken with Lily. Hope you enjoyed your story online. Looking forward to bringing you more. Bye.